Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Together. Let's start the further discussion. What is cell division? Cell division is the process in which cell divides to form new cells. There are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiotic or meiosis. Mitosis cell division takes place in somatic cells. Mitosis cell division occurs to form organs of the body. Meiosis cell division occurs to form germ cells or reproductive cells. See, in the mitosis cell division, mother cells divides to form two daughter cells, and each daughter cell has same number of chromosomes. 46 number of chromosomes, 46 number of chromosomes. And in meiosis, mother cell divides to form 4 number of daughter cells, and each cell has half number of chromosomes. 23, 23, 23, 23 number of chromosomes. Mitosis is necessary for growth and repair, and meiosis is necessary for sexual reproduction. In meiosis, daughter cells, they have half number of chromosomes because at the time of fertilization, gametes get fused and they form offspring, and in that time they have to maintain normal number of chromosome, 46 number of chromosomes. That's why at the time of the meiosis cell division, all the daughter cells, they have half number of chromosomes to maintain 46 normal number of chromosomes. Now all of you got it that why in the process of meiosis cell division, daughter cells have half number of chromosomes, 23 number of chromosomes. Now see, in the mitosis cell division, two daughter cells are formed. In the meiosis cell division, 4 daughter cells are formed. In the mitosis cell division, both daughter cells have same number of chromosomes, diploid number of chromosomes, 46 number of chromosomes. And in the meiosis, daughter cells have half number of chromosomes, 23 number of chromosomes. Mitosis cell division occurs to form organs of the body, and meiosis cell division occurs to form gametes, reproductive cells, to form germ cells. Now we will discuss the MCQ multiple choice questions related to this chapter. Question number 1. Who discovered the nucleus of the cell? Robert Brown discovered the nucleus of the cell. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. So answer is Robert Brown. Purkinje discovered protoplasm. Leeuwenhoek discovered sperms. Question number 2. Which of the following is the main constituent of cell wall? Cellulose. Answer is cellulose. Question number 3. Which of the following is called powerhouse of the cell? Answer is mitochondrion. Answer is mitochondrion. Is called powerhouse of the cell because mitochondria is the site of cellular respiration. Energy is formed in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Next, which of the following is called kitchen of the cell? Mitochondrion. In animal cell, mitochondrion is called kitchen of the cell. In plant cell, chloroplast is called the kitchen of the cell. So answer is mitochondrion. Next one, which of the following cell organelle is called suicidal bag of cell? Answer is lysosome. Because when cell gets damaged, lysosome bursts and it digests its own cell. That's why lysosome is called suicidal bag of cell. Next question is question number 6. Which of the following is called brain of the cell? Answer is nucleus. Nucleus is called the brain of the cell because it controls all the functions of the cell. Question number 7. Double membrane is absent in. Double membrane is present in mitochondria. Double membrane is present in nucleus. Chloroplast, yes. Lysosome, double membrane is not present in lysosome. So answer is lysosome. Next, question number 8. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Cytoplasm is also known as protoplasm. Yes. Cytoplasm is included in protoplasm. Lysosomes are known as the suicidal bags of the cell. Yes. Mitochondria has its own DNA. Yes, mitochondria has DNA and ribosome. None of the above. So answer is none of the above. All the statements are correct. Question number 9. The process by which water moves through a semi-permeable membrane from a region of high concentration to a region of lower concentration, thereby equalizing water concentration, is called osmosis. Answer is osmosis. Next, question number 10. Last, what are the essential proteins and lipids required for cell membrane manufactured? Answer is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum manufactures protein. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, manufactures protein, and SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, manufactures lipid, and protein and lipid are used to form plasma membrane, cell membrane. So answer is endoplasmic reticulum. Link of this one is also given in the description box. You can check out from there and you can do practice like this way. Thank you. Have a good one.